Everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm going to download driver browser all in one. This here is serial, and this here for the your type the driver download driver John download, and this here for the official website for you. I am like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. Click here. This here for the all operating system. This here for operating system for the Windows, for the Mac, and for the Linux operating system. And this video I need to download operating system for the Windows, and this here for the Mac. This here for new version for the Mac 12, Mac 11, and this here for the Windows. And click here for the Windows 11, and click OK. And this is for the Windows 11. And if you need to load your Windows 11 full driver, and I am recommended for you download here. And this here for the if you print only and scan only, and print wizard and XML and okay, I am recommended for you download here for the full package recommended. And this here for support operating system. And if you need to download, you click here download. If you need install driver for the your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB, USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and if you finish driver download, you click here the driver download, and this printer install automatic your operating system. Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time. If you need link a lot below description of video. Thank you for